So what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Waqas and you're watching Waqas Tech. So guys, in this video I will show you how to fix iPhone stuck on 1% charging when start charging. So in this video I will show you how to fix that issue. If you're also facing that issue, then keep watching full video. There are few reasons that iPhone stuck on 1% charging. So let's start video without wasting any time. Firstly, move to the first solution. If first solution is forced to restart your iPhone, it's dependent on you that which model you are using. Just force to restart your iPhone and then connect to the charging again. Okay, if that method is not working, then move to the next solution. The next solution, check your iPhone charging cable or adapter is damaged or replace if necessary. So move to the next solution. The next solution is check your iPhone any pending iOS update. If you have any pending iOS update, just update your iPhone to the latest iOS and then fix that issue. To check that, open iPhone setting, tap on general, tap on software update. You can see appears on screen, I have a pending iOS update. So update your iPhone to the latest iOS and then fix that issue. If that method is not working, then try a different charging cable or adapter to charge your iPhone. If that method is also not working, then move to the next one. The next one is connect your iPhone to a computer with a USB cable and try to charge it through the computer. Okay, if that method is also not working, then move to the last one. The last one, put iPhone into DFU mode and restore your iPhone and then charge it again. So friends, by doing that simple step, you can easily fix that your iPhone stuck on 1% charging. Make sure you don't have any hardware issue. If you have any hardware issue, just contact your iPhone to the nearest Apple store and then fix that issue. So friends, by doing that simple step, you can easily fix the iPhone stuck on 1% when charging. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.